I've been very blessed on YouTube, and this time of year around the holidays, I would like to give back. Last year, I started a tradition of giving back to my community. So this year, we're gonna do it again. Last year, I was able to give 24 gifts to some homeless folks who needed a hand. This year, we're able to do 40. So just like last year, I'll be giving a nice warm pair of these brown jersey gloves from Harbor Freight. I've got a pair of nice warm tube socks that I bought off of Amazon, and then we're gonna include a $10 gift card from McDonald's to get a couple of meals. We're gonna wrap it all up, and then we're gonna go out and we're gonna find some needy folks.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire.
All right, that's got all 40 presents wrapped. It's important to me that the gifts that we give are hand wrapped. That way, everybody we give a gift to today has something to unwrap. How we doing, sir? Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, God bless.
Yes, sir. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Merry Christmas, baby.
How we doing? Merry Christmas, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Reindeer's coming out to play.
How we doing?
Santa Claus is packing the
Sure thing.
presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody.
Merry Christmas, buddy.
To give him a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is
Merry Christmas.
chestnuts are cracking.
Sure thing. Got some socks and gloves in there. Sure thing.
Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
How you doing? Merry Christmas. Somebody down there, I got a Christmas present for you. Some socks and gloves, McDonald's card.
So all your secret dreams.
Some socks and gloves in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Merry Christmas.
There's something
Yep.
that happens when
Happy
sleigh
holiday.
bells are ringing.
My hope is that this video will inspire the spirit of giving. If you click that like button, and if you share this video with your family and friends, it can spread to even more people. Be sure to check out last year's video. This is the video that started my holiday tradition of giving back to my community. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.
Without freezing.